Welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel Blog. Good morning friends from Lachung. Today our first destination is Zero Point. Then we will spend some time in Yumthang Valley, and after that we will continue our journey towards Siliguri. To enjoy this beautiful journey, be my pillion and enjoy the entire ride. To visit North Sikkim, we need the inner permit which is provided by Sikkim Home Department. For Gurudongmar ride, do carry 7 copy, and to visit Zero Point, we need 3 copy of ILP. After submit our copy in Indian Army checkpost, we had continued our journey with a lot of mesmerizing scenic beauty of Himalayan range. an off-road lover, then North Sikkim is heaven for you. More than 75% distance is off-road you have to cover in this ride. But one thing, the roads for Zero Points and Yumthang Valley is better than Gurudongmar Lake. The Yumthang Valley is located at an altitude of 11,800 feet, which is about 25 km from Lachung, and it takes around 1.5 hour ride to reach there. The meaning of the Yumthang Valley is Valley of Flowers. After reaching at Yumthang Valley, we continued our journey towards Zero Point. Zero Point is located about 23 km from Yumthang and at altitude of 15,000 feet. The place is known as Yumthang, and it will take around 1.5 hour ride to reach from Yumthang Valley. The name of this place Zero Point because this is the place where civilian roads end and the civilians are not allowed to drive any further from this point. There is an international border of China at a short distance from Zero Point, and thus the civilians are not allowed to go any further. After capturing some sweet memories, we started our journey towards Yumthang Valley, which is located at an altitude of 11,800 feet. And the meaning of Yumthang Valley is Valley of Flowers. With miles and miles of stretched valley as far as your eyes can see. Good morning again from Lachung. Next day, we had started our journey from Lachung to Siliguri with some sweet and unforgettable memories with lots of Himalayan off-road riding experience. Do like and subscribe my channel for more travel related videos which will be coming on future. Till then, signing off and ride safe and ride hard. See you in next vlog. Bye.